Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. I think the most popular food item we can associate with summer is ice cream and other frozen treats, including floats. They taste fabulous and are perfect when it's hot outside. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my cherry cola float. Creamy and smooth, this is a refreshing cold beverage for the season. So let's start. In a tall sundae glass, we'll add a couple scoops of black cherry ice cream. And to get this amazing recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then some of my cherry simple syrup, and the link is on the top right corner as well. Next, we'll top it up with some Dr. Pepper, and that's it. We're ready to enjoy. And my friends, this is our cherry cola float. Cool, refreshing, and so delicious. This quick and easy recipe is a must-try. With these ingredients, the flavors are intensified, which is exactly what to expect when enjoying a cherry cola float. This is a summer treat I'm sure you'll love. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!